Hello guys, today I'll show you how to create your first website. Find the location where you will save your files. Then shift right click and open PowerShell. Make sure you have Django installed on your system. Type this command. Now open Visual Studio Code and open the same folder. Now open new terminal and follow me. Now our app has been created. Now go to the urls.py of new project and copy the last URL pattern given. Remove blog from blog.urls and put your app name. And make sure to import include. Now in your app folder create a urls.py file. Copy everything from previous urls.py and paste it here. Remove the previous two paths and paste the first URL pattern given. Now go to views.py file of your app folder and make a new function. Also import views in urls.py and make sure to save all the files. Now in the terminal type this. Control click on the URL and boom. Now see you later, alligator bye butterfly.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं।